Díomh ar maidin gach páistí ar an dó, inis tá sé in am don Scrudú Litriú. So, oscail do chomhtleabhar agus scríobh an dáta ar bun an leathanach. Write the date carefully at the top of your page. You can number the spellings as we go. We are going to have 10 English and 6 Gaeilge. We'll start with English. Make sure you have a nice sharp pencil. Number 1. Fringe. The hairdresser cut a fringe into my hair. Fringe. Number 2. Frog. I found a frog sitting in my back garden. Frog. Number 3. Front. We usually write our name at the front of our copies. Front. Number 4. Frown. We do not have a frown on our face today because it's almost midterm. Frown. Number 5. Fresh. I love a fresh smoothie in the morning. Fresh. Number 6. Sixth. This is the 6th spelling. Sixth. Seven. Seventh. This is the 7th spelling. Seventh. Eight. Eighth. This is the 8th spelling. Eighth. Nine. Ninth. This is the 9th spelling. Ninth. And the last one, number 10, you've guessed it, 10th. This is the 10th and final English spelling. 10th. Now, I'll read them back over and you check them. Remember, our pattern this week was fr and th. So make sure that your spelling has those spelling patterns. Fringe. 2. Frog. 3. Front. 4. Frown. 5. Fresh. 6. Sixth. 7. Seventh. 8. Eighth. 9. Ninth. 10. 10th. Great. Put down your pencils and shake out your hands for a moment. In and out and all around. Have a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And now switch on your Gaeilge brains. Muisibhré, Gama, Ivra Hain. Broga. Tá ma broga bui. Broga. Ivra dó. Cóta. Tá a cóta bán darag. Cóta. Ifir 3. Póca. Tá a póca lán le milseán. Póca. Ifir 4. Clóca. Tá clóca naomh bríd gurm. Clóca. Ifir 5. Rópa. Léim mé chár an rópa. Rópa. Agus ifir 6 an ceann déarnach, tósta. Is even lom tósta le im agus solh. Tósta. Agus léim mé tríd a ríisiad. I'm going to read them through again. Ifir 1, bróga. Ifir 2, cóta. Ifir 3, póca. Ifir 4, clóca. Ifir 5, rópa. Agus ifir 6, tósta. Agus ná déan darmid an fada. Okay, well done. Now, put down your pencils and just listen for a moment. We're going to give you a little short tables check. You're going to take all the sums down first. Then, when you've taken them all down, you go back and you answer them. You must listen very carefully whether I'm saying plus or minus, add or take away. And for some of you, you might like to time yourselves. If you do, can you write that down in your copy how many seconds it took you, just like we practice for our Ballard and Westwood tests. Are you ready? Okay, now you have your maths brains turned on. There's going to be 10. Ready? Number 1. 11 minus 6 equals. Remember, you answer them at the end when you've taken them all down. Number 2. 5 take away 4 equals. Number 3. 6 minus 5 equals. Number 4. 7 plus 4 equals. Number 5. 8 add 8 equals. Number 6. 4 plus 6 equals. Number 7. 12 take away 2 equals. Number 8. 9 plus 3 equals. Number 9. 8 subtract 7 equals. And number 10. 5 plus 8 equals. So if you're going to time yourself, get your stopwatch ready now.